How to stream mobile games on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to stream mobile games on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, before starting anything, to go live on TikTok, there are two main requirements. First is that you must be at least 18 years old, verified, and second is that you need at least 1000 followers on your account. And here, if you meet these criterias, then you're good to go. And with that, let's open the TikTok app first. And here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the plus button which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. So here, to tell you right now, I don't have 1000 followers on my account right now, so I can't guide you digitally. But here, I'll guide you through verbally on how you can go live. So here, once you are on your camera section, at the bottom, you simply have to swipe to the live options on the right. And once there, you'll see different types of live streams. So from there, simply choose mobile gaming. And once you do that, now TikTok will switch from your camera view to your screen sharing mode. So there at the top, give your stream a title, for example, playing Minecraft live, and there you can also add topics or a live goal, but that's optional. And there, when you're ready, you can simply tap done. And there at the bottom of the screen, you'll find tools like polls, sharing your stream, enabling subscriptions, switch between portraits or landscape mode, or access your live center or settings if you want to adjust quality or audio. And there, once you're ready, you simply have to tap Go Live and select your game topic and then press Start Broadcast. And once you do that, TikTok will start streaming your screen. And with that, you just have to open your mobile game. For example, you can open any games like PUBG, Minecraft there, and there while you live, you see your chat on the right and your viewer count. And there to give viewers the best experience, you can hide the floating panel so they can see the full game screen. And here, now you can play and chat with your reviews, viewers, and enjoy streaming. And that's it. That's how you can stream mobile games on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.